So we are going to discuss preposition. La préposition généralité. What is the general information about preposition? So first is, qu'est-ce que c'est une préposition? What is a preposition? What is preposition? Preposition is a small word, grammatical small word, which connects the two words or group of words in a logical fashion, in a logical manner, right? Prepositions do not vary. They are invariable. They will never change with the number, with the gender, with anything. For example, we can say, cet objet est sur la table. This object is on the table. So on the table, on is the preposition. La fleur est sur la feuille. The flower is on the leaf. On the leaf is a preposition. Je téléphone à mon fils. I telephone to my son. À mon fils. À is a preposition. Right? So à, de, dans, en, pour, chez, par, avec. These are the prepositions. There are many prepositions in French. These are the prepositions. Like, your son has come back from home. So you say, il revient de l'école. He has come back. He has returned from the school. So the is a preposition. From school. Right? Vous venez d'où? From where have you come? आप किस country से आए हो? D'où? De, où? So the is a preposition here. Same, de. Il y a beaucoup de livres. There are so many books. This the is a preposition. Give me 1 kilo of potatoes. Donne-moi 1 kilo de pommes de terre. De pommes de terre, de is a preposition. Right? For example, another example is une cuillère de sel, 1 teaspoon of salt. De sel, de is a preposition. Right? Un billet de train, 1 ticket of the train. Un billet de train, the train of the train is a preposition. So prepositions are very, very important to construct a sentence. Like a is a preposition. Say, j'habite à Delhi. A. Je suis à la maison. I am at my home. A. Preposition. Je suis à aéroport. I am at the airport. A is a preposition. Dans is a preposition. Déplacement dans un véhicule. Moving or traveling in a vehicle. So déplacement dans un véhicule. So this inside a car or inside a vehicle, this inside is a preposition. Right? And there are other examples we will use. So, for example, la glace au chocolat. Chocolate ice cream. La glace au chocolat. This is chocolate ice cream. Au chocolat. O is a preposition. O is, how O has come? This is a plus le. O. When a combines with le chocolat, so we can say la glace a le chocolat. A and L combine, it makes O. So la glace au chocolat. Fais attention aux enfants. This is imperative sentence. So you are ordering the children to be careful. Fais attention aux enfants. O is A plus les. Because enfant is a plural here. Many children. Children, not a child. So fais attention aux enfants. So you are ordering someone. So we can have several preposition. Now slowly we will learn more preposition. So continuing with the our example of the flower and the leaf, we will continue. Donc la fleur est sur la feuille. The flower is on the leaf. La fleur est sur la feuille. Now I place the flower below the leaf. So la fleur est sous la feuille. First is sur, S-U-R, on the leaf. Then below the leaf, sous, S-O-U-S, sous. Then we have devant, before. The flower is ahead or before of the leaf. La fleur est devant la feuille. La fleur est devant la feuille. Then I place the flower behind the leaf. Then it is la fleur est derrière la feuille. La fleur est derrière la feuille. I am sitting in my home. So, chez moi. Je suis chez moi. Chez moi. Je suis chez moi. Chez is a preposition. So, preposition is indicating the space or the place where we are placed. So, if I put the flower in between two leaves, I say la fleur est entre deux feuilles. La fleur est entre deux feuilles. Then preposition also has, so this was a preposition indicating the space. Then we have preposition indicating the movement. So I am very near to the hospital. So vers, V-E-R-S. Je suis vers l'hôpital. I live in Delhi. J'habite à Delhi. Please walk till the crossing. Or when you can say walk till that particular monument. Then jusqu'à, O, is a preposition. Promenade jusqu'à le monument. This is a preposition. So it indicates kind of a movement. When we say since 2010, I live in Nairobi. For example, Ravi is saying. So what Ravi will say? Je habite à Nairobi depuis 2010. Je habite à Nairobi depuis 2010. I live in Nairobi since 2010. So there are two prepositions in this sentence. Je habite à Nairobi, à. This is a preposition. Depuis, since 2010. Depuis, D-E-P-U-I-S, depuis. Like for example, Sanjeev went for a family holiday for 2 days. So we will say Sanjeev passer ses vacances pour 2 jours avec sa famille. Sanjeev has spent 2 days of vacation. So pour, P-O-U-R, pour Sanjeev a fait les vacances pour 2 jours avec sa famille. Pour is a preposition. Right? So we will